Hello and welcome to the course tour for English 121, sections 401 and 402. This video is to help you navigate the course in Blackboard so you kind of know where everything is and you don't have to wait for me to answer a question to find something. So what's going to happen is when you come into the class, you're going to see this screen. There's a welcome folder. This is where you start everything for week 1, week 2, whatever. We have a link to all the major writing assignments. And I have a video description. So I have several of them here. I don't know why some of these are just hanging out hidden, but I'll just delete these. Anyway, so these are the things that we're going to be looking at. We're not going to write all of these, and that's okay. As we come back to the assignments page, you'll see there is a bonus points essay contest for you to submit something to. It's 350 words to 500 words. You can see I like to edit as I go along because this gives me a good chance to proofread. But this is the Black History Month contest. It's due January 31st, and it's only for 25 points, but it's something to help get you writing. Otherwise, everything that you need to do is going to be in the weekly folder. So you click on week 1, you'll see everything that we have. It'll be a week 1 overview. It'll look different than what is here because this is from the fall, and then instructions of what we're doing. I'm trying to make this easier to just divide the in-class work and out-of-class work as well as before and after class. So hopefully before you come to class on Thursday, you'll watch these videos. We'll kind of do a quick review of the syllabus and do some in-class writing. By Sunday night, there'll be an assignment due. It's called Writing Instructions 2. And a discussion board. So we'll have a reading after class. So that Thursday, Friday, or Saturday, you'll have this reading assignment due. So hopefully all this will be clear, and we'll get into the rhythm of it as we go along. But everything is posted in order that it's due. And so hopefully that will also be helpful. I have supplemental lessons. That's a good thing about being WebFlex is that we can have the same lesson as a video that we'll get in class. Not always, but a lot of times that way we can discuss these things further and you'll have a clearer idea of what we're looking at doing. Let us see. So we'll have on this side a bunch of tools. This is the course tour part, right? So we have the panic button. This is basically if something's going wrong, if you miss a class, you have a conflict, or you're not sure how to communicate with me, this will give you some advice, but mainly the main goal is to just contact me. Send me an email and say, hey, I have this going on. I'm happy to work with you. I have a link to the syllabus. I'm going to delete this announcements page because I don't send announcements. We have a link to the assignments. It's the main one. And course schedule. This, if you want to print this out, it's very helpful. It's the last page of the syllabus. And it's just everything that we're doing. Discussion board. This is a helpful link. We'll be doing some discussion boards in class. These are all wonky and out of order, so don't worry about that. But if you need to get to a discussion board to respond to someone, this is how you would do it. Course materials. These are just additional things for you to look at. We have a link to our textbook. I'll probably rearrange this, put this on top. But all the links that you'll need are in the assignments page. Readings, any additional lessons. Important tool is email. I put it right above grades because everyone checks their grades, but this is also how you can email me. Just click on instructor users, or if you want to email an individual classmate, you're welcome to do that as well. I do recommend getting to know each other. You'll see each other in classes on Thursdays, so that'll be helpful. But get to know each other. Grades, your grade book will look something like this. It'll have the full points for something. Many of the assignments we're doing are just for full points. So if you see it's different, I might have just added it wrong. So double check with me on that. If there's nothing here, it's bonus, which is kind of cool. Other tools, that's really all you need to know, I think. Email and grades. There's some other links to Edison resources down here, but that is the course. Like I said, everything you need to know is going to be in this folder. So all the links to the various reading assignments will be right here. So this is our textbook reading. I just have all the links there just to try to make it easier for you. But if you do have questions, you're welcome to email me, call me, whatever. I am here to help you out. So hopefully this little tour was helpful.